welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because today I'm going to be creating two makeup looks which are almost 25 years and more apart from each other. Yes, today's video is going to be a 90s versus a 2019 makeup look. I'm going to be creating one look from the 90s and one look from 2019. And of course, I'm going to be using all affordable and drugstore makeup items that you guys can shop for too from Myntra. So I'm going to leave the links down below in case you guys want to buy any of these products and recreate these looks at home. And I need to stop talking, and without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Alright guys, so we will start off with primer. I'm using the Color Bar primer here and I will be showing the differences in the makeup alongside, so just follow along. The left side of the screen is always going to be the 90s and the right side is going to be 2019. So I've pretty much kept the base makeup the same and I'm going in with this Maybelline palette. This has like a lot of different shades. I'm using that for concealing and also as base. And then I'm going in with my LA Girl HD Brow Concealer in a slightly lighter shade to just cover the eyelid so that we have a nice even base for all the makeup to go on to. And then nicely setting it with my Lakme compact powder. This is such a great affordable compact that works like a dream, and I'm using it both on the left and the right, which is 90s and 2019. And now going in with my L'Oreal Brow Artist Kit. Now brows are one of the major differences. On the left, which is the 90s, you see the brows are slightly thinner and more sharper, and on the right they're thicker, more voluminous, right? And that is what makes all the difference. Just to clean up the brows a little more, I'm adding a little more concealer, more sharply on the left and a little more naturally on the right, which is 2019. And then going in with my Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and on the left, that is the 90s, we're going to go with a more darker, more even purplish eyeshadow, and on the right we're going to go in with something a little more golden and slight tones of pink, because 2019 is all about the glow and bringing out your natural beauty. So as you can see on the left, I'm going in a little more darker on the lower lid and intensifying that shadow. It's all matte. And of course, mascara has remained the same over the years, so there is absolutely no difference, except in 2019, that is on the right, we will go in with adding some extra lashes on to add that volume, because it's all about long fluttering lashes as of now. So just adding those falsies and adding some lower lash mascara as well. Well, we have gotten more precise with the makeup as the years have passed, so we're cleaning up the shadow work done using a concealer in 2019's look. We're also going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation in a darker shade to do contouring, which is again a huge trend that is very popular now, but in 90s nobody did contouring. It's safe to say that nobody was as obsessed with highlighters in the 90s as people are in 2019. Makeup isn't complete without highlighting, so we're adding a ton of highlighter from this beautiful Makeup Revolution palette to make sure that the 2019 girl is a glowing goddess. Also adding it to the collarbones, because hey, you cannot get enough of highlighter in 2019, can you? And now coming on to the lips. For the 90s, we chose a very deep chocolatey brown shade, which was absolutely trending at that time. And for 2019, we're using Lakme 9 to 5 in the beautiful nudie pink shade. And that's it. That completes the looks.
Enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. We sure had a blast creating these looks for you. And of course, I have to introduce you to my very talented makeup artist, Gitanjali.
Hi.
Come. So that's Gitanjali, and she's done both these amazing looks on me. Thank you so much for being a part of this video.
Thank you.
And of course, I'm going to be leaving her social media handle down below. So if in case you guys want to follow her makeup and her amazing work, then for sure do that. And yeah, thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. She's well trained. So yeah, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching and loving my videos. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!